morning. Mental stability, stimulation, growth, love. It all begins with you. Loving yourself, understanding who you are, trusting you, and just being you. During this time that you're sitting inside with not much to do, find ways to stimulate yourself, your kids, just you. If you can stimulate you, it's easier to stimulate everybody else around you, and everything around you is stimulated and feeling oh so sexy. Don't you think? Now look, you take fabric. That's what I do. I work with fabric and all that. So I take fabric, I just like chop it up together, release the strands. I exercise muscle because as you stretch the fabric or tear it in ways that you want to do your art or your nuttiness, you build muscle and you tone up, you get fresh, you reduce stress, you just like you just nibble yourself, you know what I mean? So nibble yourself, cut away, design. So this is just the beginning, more to come. Twa twa sexy ngoma twa twa.